For the past couple of weeks, all my roommate's been doing is telling me how badly he would beat me in a Nerf war. I keep telling him there's no way, and he keeps insinuating that when he has the money, he's gonna go out and buy a Nerf gun and we're gonna battle. Well, today, I'm giving him that opportunity. He's about to get slaughtered. He believes he can beat me. I don't think he can beat me. I don't even think there's a chance. He doesn't even have this sweet headband. This gives me plus 10 accuracy. It's gonna be like taking candy from a baby. It's gonna be like taking a guitar from a rock star. It's gonna be like taking chocolate milk from a brown cow. That guy is going down. But first, I need a haircut. I don't want the hair falling in my eyes when I try and shoot. We also need to buy the guns too. So we gotta take out a loan. That's okay, we'll figure something out.
Got that done. Didn't think I'd have so much less hair when I got out of that. Holy shit, it's fucking short. Time to be the only person older than 12 to go spend all their money on Nerf guns right now. Exciting. You might have to go off-brand because the shit's expensive. 25 bucks for that? No.
I'm getting the bow and arrow. I'm getting that bow and arrow. I'm gonna snipe him from across the street.
I'm getting this one. I think we got everything. Looks pretty good. I think we have like 5 guns and I have 2 at home, so I think we're good. Can't forget about the darts. Everybody's wondering why somebody over 12 has a car full of Nerf guns. Whatever.
Wow. I don't know where I parked.
Found it.
Just gonna open them one at a time. Should be fun. It's been a couple of days later, and I think tonight's gonna be the night where we finally have that Nerf war. I keep trying to text him to surprise him when he comes in, but he always forgets to text me, or he just doesn't text me because he doesn't like me, which is cool too. I don't have feelings or anything like that. I'm gonna go set up the arena right now. So we can have that Nerf war tonight, baby. Let's go! First things first, we gotta blow these bad boys up. So I'm gonna do that now. Look at the detail, man. Wow. Okay. I'm good. Why should it be like this tall? You know what? I actually think it's that tall. What the hell? Shit, I'm seeing signs right now. How the am I supposed to hide behind this? This thing looks like 4 feet. This is like 2 feet. This is like 2 feet. How am I supposed to hide behind here? What am I supposed to do? Pew pew. This was like $7, $8 for this. Guess who gets the fuel tank? My roommate. Just in case he gets blown up, it's not gonna be me getting blown up with it. You're welcome. Never say I wasn't nice. So you wanted a Nerf war. Well, a Nerf war is what you'll get. Grab your guns and get ready for fun. Oh, no, get ready to run. I don't even know what I wrote 2 seconds ago. First one to get shot 5 times loses. Because it's a Nerf war, right? Whoever gets hit 5 times first loses. Because we need a winner in this. I'm going to tape that to the door, as well as putting his guns on the floor. And then when he grabs the guns and gets in here, it's go time. So I'll give you an aerial shot of this. I have my fanny pack that's doubling as an ammo pack. Got the headband for that plus 10 accuracy. Got those sweet moves. He's here. Here, let's go, boys. It's game time. It's game time. Oh shit! Hey, what the fuck? shit.
Oh, I hate this rotation.
What?
Oh shit.
Oh, you got me. Oh, you got me. Oh shit. That gun saved my life. Hey. Oh, that was my throat.
Tommy boy. Oh, that was my leg.
Oh, that was my arm. You don't even have a bullet in there.
Ah, fuck my face again. Game over. You won. You shot me definitely more times than I shot you.
Don't ever come into my arena telling me that you the Nerf King, because I am. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed it, subscribe, like the video, comment who won the Nerf battle. This guy. I did have way more advanced guns than him. That's okay. And come back in 2 weeks to find out the next episode of whatever the f this channel is about. Watch this, watch this. Until next time, have a great day, everybody. Wow, it's so short. My gosh. It's worse because I have a fat head, too.